Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. It's time to leave exam stress behind and get inspired to do your best. In today's important video, I will explain you how you can participate in Pariksha Pe Charcha 2026, the most awaited and motivational event for students, parents and teachers. Stay till end. I will share step-by-step instruction to participate. Let's begin. So this is the official website. Once you click on it, it will take you to this page where it says Pariksha Pe Charcha 2026. Participate and get an opportunity to interact with Honorable PM Narendra Modi ji. So now in this you need to come down here where they have given some instruction about Pariksha Pe Charcha, means what is actually Pariksha Pe Charcha. And if you scroll down, here some instruction is given that you need to first click on participate now. This is open for all the school students of classes 6 to 12. Student can submit their question for PM, but maximum word limit is 500 characters. Parents and teacher can also participate and submit their entry in online activity designed exclusively for them. If you scroll down here, you will get multiple options for login. Like first one, you can, as a student, you can participate self individually, or you can participate using teachers login. This one is for teachers. Teacher can also participate in this. And last one is for parents. Parents of all the students of classes 6 to 12 can participate through this activity. Before, let's see a few more things like reward. You will get an opportunity to interact with PM Narendra Modi and important dates. This has already started on 1st December and last date of participation is 11 January 2026. Here few more detail about exam warrior is there where many information is given to you. You can read all these modules. Now let us see how you can participate. For participation, I am going to show you how student can participate self participation. So first you need to click here, click to participate. So now let's click here. Once you click here you are going to get two ways to log in. Either you can log in through your DigiLocker or you can log in through your email ID and mobile number. So you can, here I will show you this method only. First I will write my name, then I will log in through mobile number and then we'll click on OTP. So now let's enter this. So now OTP is sent on my mobile number. We just need to enter that OTP here. So we have entered the OTP. Now let's click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, here you will be getting your name and here it's written participate as a student. Then again you need to fill your details like your name, first name and last name, then your email ID, gender, class, your address, then your date of birth. So after filling all this, your parents name, your school detail you need to enter here. Then activity here is given to you, like few questions is there, quiz is given to you. Like first question is, which independent body supervise Lok Sabha and state legislative assembly election? Then India is celebrating 150 years of national song Vande Mataram. Who wrote this song? Then how can setting goal help student? Then which asana is known as the tree pose that enhance balance and focus? The idea of 3R, reduce, reuse, recycle, encourage the value of dash. So these 5 questions are there. You need to choose the correct option. Then here you can submit your question to PM. So submit a question of your choice related to life skill, exam preparation and stress, career guidance and anything whichever you want to ask to PM. But make sure you should not use more than 500 character. So once you fill all this detail and attempt this quiz, just fill this question and after that click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, here you are going to get one detailed list of a student. Then here your name will be there, your parents name, your class, and here one information is given. The certificate will be available from 12th January 2026. So friends, this was the complete guide on how to participate in Pariksha Pe Charcha 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye, keep learning.